And good morning, everyone. Buckeye TV meteorologist Derek Witt here. The scattered showers and thunderstorms from yesterday are now east of us, and behind that we have some much nicer weather. 74 degrees here at 11 a.m., sunny skies, a very pleasant day out there so far. We take a peek at the current radar. The showers and thunderstorms moving east of us and away, and behind us, clear skies, much nicer weather for the rest of the day here in Columbus. And what we're expecting, warm and sunny for the rest of today, a high of 83 degrees with a light northerly breeze of about 5 miles an hour. And we take it what we're tracking, warm, dry week ahead, really no chance of rain. And fall officially begins this Thursday. We'll talk about that. And as we're going to talk about the approach of fall, we also have to talk about when we can expect the first frost here in central Ohio. So we have no rain in sight. East of us, like I said, here's that mess of showers and thunderstorms. And over us here in the Midwest, there's little spots of green. No rain. That's just some patchy fog being picked up by the radar. That hasn't been burned off by the sun yet this morning out in the countryside. When we take a peek a little further west, we do have a cold front here in the northern plains, and that will approach us here in central Ohio. However, it's going to fizzle out, and it won't really impact our weather much here, and won't really bring any chance of rain during the week. However, we do have warmer air inbound, and you will feel it this week. This is the high temperatures from yesterday in the lower 80s here in Ohio. We take it west in the central plains and northern plains, middle to upper 80s, and that's what we can anticipate for the rest of the week. So fall is near. It officially begins this Thursday, September 22nd at 10:21 a.m. Some leaves will begin changing color by the time we get to October, and harvest time for all the farmers is approaching. The corn's going to start coming off, and we are expecting cooler weather next week, making it feel a little more fall-like. So we do have the first frost data here. It usually occurs between mid-October and early November here in central Ohio. The average date is October 27th. The earliest it's ever happened is September 21st. That's actually this Wednesday, but with a high of 85 degrees expected. I don't think we're going to see any frost that morning. And the record late, back in 1902, we did not reach our first frost until almost December on November 27th there. Tonight, expecting a low of 60 degrees, cool, clear with calm winds. And tomorrow, a high of 85 degrees, a little bit warmer with a few clouds. However, that lack of humidity will not make it feel as warm as it did 2 weeks ago. So we take a look at the extended forecast now. 83 degrees for the high today, sunny skies, 85 on Tuesday and Wednesday with mostly sunny skies, 86 on Thursday, 85 on Friday. Pretty much the two words to sum up this week will be sunny and warm. So be sure to tune in later in the week to see what you can expect for the upcoming weekend.